Good. Nice and gentle breathing. Good. We're going to bring your hip down like this and bring your shoulders up. Good. A little bit more. More. Nice and gentle, just like the other adjustments. I'm following your breath. As you breathe out, we're going to come in this way like this, and then push like that, okay? Good. Soft, gentle, gentle. Okay. You're right here at 5-6. Nice and gentle. Let your head drop in. I'm going to move your head over to the side like this, just like the other one. Just let it drop. Let your shoulders drop.
No, I already feel like a little bit better. Like a lot better, actually.